What's up, guys? Kalen Bryan here from Freedom Life Influencer, back at you with another video. In this video, I'm going to share with you, or just basically share with you, is it possible to make money on Clickbank? Is it possible to make money on Clickbank? And if it is, how? How can you make money on Clickbank as a beginner? So if you like these kind of videos, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell, because I'm coming out with daily content showing you how to create a life full of freedom, passion, and fulfillment, guys, okay? So Clickbank, let's get right to the content. Clickbank is basically a marketplace where affiliates like you and myself, or maybe you're not necessarily an affiliate yet, maybe someone who wants to make money online by promoting other people's products. Clickbank is a marketplace where we can go and search for products that are in a particular area or niche, and basically drive traffic to those products and make a commission off of it. Let's say someone has a product that is converting very well, that's a really good product, a product that has gotten many people a lot of results, and it's $100, right? And then you start promoting that product to your audience. If you don't have an audience, you start generating traffic, whether it be on YouTube or any other social media platform, or paid traffic. And when someone clicks the link that you're promoting for that product, you get a commission. Let's say you get 10% commission of that $100, so you'll get $10. But with affiliate marketing and Clickbank, the commissions are way higher. So if you have a $100 offer, you're probably making maybe about $70, $80 per click, or not click, but per sale that you make after promoting. So Clickbank, you can definitely make money on Clickbank. So the answer to the question, can I make money on Clickbank, that you're searching for, is yes. Definitely yes. Clickbank has been around for years, and people have made millions and millions of dollars on Clickbank promoting multiple products, right? So it's all in affiliate marketing. So Clickbank is all about affiliate marketing. If you don't know what affiliate marketing is, I have a free guide, step-by-step guide that teaches you all about affiliate marketing, as well as how to start your own affiliate marketing business step by step. So check that link out in the description. Also, my #1 recommendation for making money online, that also teaches you how to create a online business utilizing affiliate marketing, whether it be drop shipping, any kind of entrepreneurship lifestyle, okay? So check those out below. But back to Clickbank. Clickbank has been around for hundreds of years, not hundreds of years, but for multiple years, and it's on a global scale. So you don't have to only be in the United States to be on Clickbank. You can be wherever you want to be in the world. If you're a citizen overseas, or in Europe, or in South Africa, or not in South Africa, but in Africa, or wherever you are in Australia, you can be an affiliate marketer promoting Clickbank products, okay? I'm going to get into the computer here in a little bit and show you guys basically how to set up your Clickbank account and how to search for products and how to promote those products, okay? But just to give you a brief step-by-step rundown, just high level. So first thing you do is you'll go to clickbank.com, you'll sign up, you'll get an affiliate account, or you'll get a, not a membership, it's free. You just log in, you get your username and password, and then once you get that, you'll log in, you'll go to Marketplace, you'll find the niche or category that you want to be in. The 3 go-to niches is health, wealth, and relationships, okay guys? Health, wealth, and relationships. So those are the ones that you might want to get into just to start out with, or just pick something that you're interested in, one that you enjoy, because that makes it that much easier to promote, okay? Just keep that in mind. So after you pick your niche, go into that category or niche and pick a product. Pick a product that is high converting, that you can relate to, something that you have gone and done your research about, and then promote it to your traffic. So you can, like I said earlier, you can use social media, you can use paid advertising on social media, as well as paid ads, like solo ads, like Udemy or something, or any other advertising that you choose to do. That if you want to learn about advertising too, I have a video on Internet Traffic Mastery, the 4%. That's my last video. Go check that out. That teaches you how to master traffic, because if you don't master traffic, you can't get traffic to your link that you're promoting from Clickbank. And if you don't get traffic, you don't get sales. And if you don't get sales, you don't hit your revenue goals. Okay, guys, that's all important. And then also what we talk about, what I want to share with you is, instead of sending people straight to that offer, you want to send them to a capture page, because that's how you can scale up your business and make multiple six figures. Okay, yes, you can make money just by sending them to the direct sales page or sales offer on Clickbank. You can do that, but if you want to make reoccurring commissions, you want to get an opt-in page. Basically, you can create an opt-in page using ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels has been a resource that has taken people's from 5 figures to 6 figures, from 6 figures to 7 figures, right? So with ClickFunnels, what you'll do is once you have your traffic, you'll send your traffic to that funnel or opt-in page using ClickFunnels after you create it. And then what they'll do is they'll put their name and their email address, and that name and email address will go to your autoresponder. Okay, so I use Aweber for my autoresponder, and I use ClickFunnels for my opt-in page. Okay, those are in the link down below. Those are in the description down below if you want to check those out. Okay, you will need them if you want to take your business to the next level. You will need them. Okay, so you create your opt-in page, they put their name and their email address in, and then it sends them their name and email address to your email list with your autoresponder. Okay, and then after you do that, you have that lead. That is your lead, your traffic. So let's say you have another offer, you have valuable content or your own course that you want to start promoting. You have their email and information. All you need to do is send an email for free to that traffic that you've already paid for, that you've already captured, and then bam, this is reoccurring email marketing, basically what it is. So then after they put their name and their email address in, then they're sent to the sales offer or the product that you're promoting from Clickbank, right? So then with ClickFunnels and Aweber or GetResponse Autoresponder, you have captured that lead's name and email address, right? And you have also sent them to the sales page, so you can make a commission if they purchase the offer you're promoting from Clickbank. But you also can make some back-end sales from any other offers that you're promoting, or any other thing that you want your audience to see. You can capitalize just by using ClickFunnels and putting an opt-in page before the Clickbank product. Okay, so let's get in the computer. I just want to give you a rundown of what Clickbank looks like, what ClickFunnels look like, and how you can start your business today. Okay, let's get into the computer. All right, guys, here we are on the computer right now. So this is Clickbank, right? This is my Clickbank account. I've already made an account, of course, but just so you all know, all you do is go to clickbank.com, right? And then you create an account. After you create an account, you'll have to enter in your information, basically English, your country. Like I said earlier, is pretty much global. No matter where you are, you can basically have an account with Clickbank and start making money, right? So then you fill out your name, your address, and your banking information, and then your account information. Now, Clickbank is totally trustworthy, and I've been with them for a couple of years and have not had any problems with them or anything that's fishy with them yet. So they're pretty trustworthy. Okay, so after you go to the sign up, you'll basically get your login, and then you'll log in, and then go to Marketplace, and Marketplace is where I am right now, and this is where you see all your different categories. Clickbank has a lot of categories that you can get into, right, guys? But the 3 golden niches or categories that I was telling you earlier: health, wealth, and relationships. Okay, so here we have wealth, business and investing, or e-business and e-marketing. Health, we have health and fitness, green products, and then we have relationships, parenting and families, self-help, maybe spirituality, new age, and alternative beliefs. So there's a lot of categories here that you can dive into, and like I said earlier, pick something that you're interested in. Like the gaming industry is big, right? So you can, if you like gaming, you might find some products in here within under the gaming niche, right? And then you see some video game tester jobs. And here's a product. So this is one of the products that Clickbank has on their marketplace, right? So if you were to go to this page, so I clicked on the link just to open a new tab here. This is the sales page. So if you had traffic and you were on like YouTube video, you made a YouTube video about gaming jobs online, right? And you said, "Oh guys, I have this great product that I want you all to check out. It's called jobs online. Check the link out in the description, and basically this is what they'll go to, right? If you don't use a funnel, they'll go straight to this gaming jobs online sales page, right? And it'll give them a rundown of what the product is all about, what you can do with the product, how it can help you reach your goals, whatever your goals may be. Some testimonials here as seen on. So basically selling your traffic the product, right? So they do all the selling for you. That's the beauty of affiliate marketing. You don't have to do any of the selling. They do all the selling. They do all the conversions. They do everything, all the refunds, make sure the customer gets what they need to. No customer communication on your behalf. So everything is done by the person who is selling this, who created this product, right? So, and if you like this product, basically, like I said, you'll put this link. You go back here and you say, okay, this is a pretty good, cool page. You'll click promote, right? And then you can have, if you have a tracking ID, you can put it there, but it's optional. Then create, right? And then this is your link. This is the link that you can put in the description of your YouTube video or whatever traffic generating source that you're using. But this is an ugly link, so I would basically go ahead and copy this link, and I would create a bit.ly link, right? bit.ly.com, and then I would just go in here and hit create, and then paste that long ugly link there, and you can customize it. You can customize up to the backslash at the ly, and you can say online games, right? Or something that describes the product that you're promoting, right? And then that makes the link look a little better. So if you promote this product, you basically get $27.37 off of every purchase, every time someone purchases using that link that you, let me go back, this link that you're going to give them, or the bit.ly link, right? So every time someone purchases using that link, you get a commission. And then the good thing about this product is that it is a recurring commission. So this is probably a kind of monthly membership product where someone can buy it initially, but then they'll be charged monthly to continue being in, to continue having this product, right? So then that's an average rebuild total of $25.16. So you'll make the $27.37 off bat from the first sale, but then also you'll make $25.16 afterwards if that traffic source that you have sent to this page continues to stay in the program. So it's like a recurring commission that you have done no extra work. You have not even talked to the customer on a one-on-one basis. You've basically just promoted this product and made a sale, and now recurring sales off of this. Okay, this is a really good product if you're into gaming that I would suggest promoting if you would like to. Another thing that's here that's important is the gravity. So the gravity score, the higher the better. So the gravity score tells you how many people have basically made sales, or how many times this offer or product has converted within the month. This is 115 times in this month. This is pretty good, guys, I'm telling you. So you want to look at the gravity score, the recurring commission, how much is the average rebuild totals. This is how much you'll get on the recurring commission, and then the first initial average sale. Okay, guys. But first and foremost, you always want to do your own research. So like I said, go to the sales page, look at this product. If you have the funds, go ahead and purchase the product too, and try to be a product of the product and show your results with it, and that'll get even more converting traffic as you continue throughout your business. Okay. So yeah, do your own research about it. Look at some other reviews on YouTube. You know, go on YouTube and type in gaming jobs online and see what other people have done with this product, if they have success or if they haven't. It's good to hear other people's perspective, and then you can go ahead and learn from it, as well as model after them to get more traffic as well. Okay. But like I was saying earlier, yes, you can send them directly to this sales page, but you want to capture, to make more money and to take your business to the next level, you want to capture their email and their name. So I use ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels, there's a link in the description. If you want to test it out and try it out, you can do so. I use ClickFunnels, right? And with ClickFunnels, you basically can go in here, add new, you can create a new funnel, and then your purpose and your whole objective is to collect emails. So you choose collect emails, you give it a name, right? give it a name, give it some tags, you build funnel. ClickFunnels will build it for you. Let me tell you, ClickFunnels is amazing. It's step by step and easy to build, but you can build within 15 minutes or less. So then they have multiple email opt-in templates. I like to use templates that are nice and clean, not too busy, right? So here's a nice one. You can select the template. So they're creating the page for us, and then you go in here and you edit the page, right? Edit page. And then it's just like a Word document or anything else that you want to edit. You go in here and you click the settings, and you can, nope, not settings. You just go in here and you can, oh, this is a picture. So you would have to change the picture if you want to. But let's say like in here, you just go in here and you can change the words and edit it. It's just that simple, guys, okay? And then what you will do, instead of sending traffic directly to this link, what you'll do is you'll paste this link into the funnel. So you'll get the link, settings, no, it's not integration, it's general. Settings, general, and then on submit, you go to that link. So once someone submits their email address here and they hit get started today, then they'll go to the Gains Jobs Online. And then that makes sure that their email address goes to your autoresponder, okay? And like I said earlier, the autoresponder that I'm using is Aweber. Aweber.com. You can log into, get an account. That link is also in the description. I'm telling you that this is Aweber and ClickFunnels, and the link's in the description. You get a 14-day free trial, okay? So test it out. If you don't like it, just cancel your membership. If you like it, stay on. I'm telling you, it can take your business to the next level, okay? So after you get your email Aweber or GetResponse account going, you basically want to integrate that into ClickFunnels. So I have a video on that earlier. Just go down below. I'll post that link to that video showing you how to integrate autoresponder, okay? So after you do that, that means after they put their email address in here and hit get started today, their email address will go to your autoresponder. For me, it'll be Aweber. For you, maybe not. Maybe Aweber, maybe GetResponse, maybe Contra, whatever you choose. And then you have that lead and that information for life, okay? And if they buy this product, you get that $27.37 per commission off the bat. And if they stay, you get the $25.16, okay? So guys, as you can see, you can make money on Clickbank. Making money on Clickbank, maybe not be, it is easy. But at the same time, it takes work, it takes commitment, and it takes action, okay? You have to take action. You have to be consistent with your goals and your action plans, guys, okay? I just gave you a good layout and a good plan how you can start making money on Clickbank today, okay? So like as I've been saying through this whole video, you can check the links out in the description. My #1 link will be a free step-by-step guide on how you can get started today with affiliate marketing using Clickbank, as well as my #1 source or #1 recommendation for making money online, okay? Check them out, see if you will like them and enjoy them, if you think you get value, if you can get, or if it will help you reach your goals. Check them out, because that's all I'm here for. I'm only here to help you get what you want, because if I help enough people get what they want, I'll get what I want. All right, guys, thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, give me a good thumbs up and give me a comment below if you're using Clickbank, and if you have had success with Clickbank, comment below that success, okay? And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell, okay? Because I'm coming out with daily content teaching you how to create a life full of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Kalen Bryant, out.